Hey y'all, Chaffanie Naycole here, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to my little digital space where I teach you how to use your iPad and increase your iPad productivity. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you're notified when I upload new videos. In today's video, I'll be planning the month of February, so I'm going to start out with my intention for the month, which is to not use my phone first thing in the morning. This is a really horrible habit that I have. I will stay on social media for about an hour to 2 hours before I even do my morning journaling, gratitude and all that. So this month, this is something that I'm making sure I'm being mindful of. And y'all, I do need to apologize because I feel like it's so hard to see. And when I was editing, I was like, why does it look like that? And I think it's because I keep forgetting to turn the brightness down on my iPad, so it makes it look so bright. Okay, so now I'm just going to head over to the yearly overview and copy and paste what I need to get done for the month. And if you're using one of the newer planners like the Overcomer or Bloom's planner, either portrait or landscape, just an FYI, you are able to get to your monthly sections from your yearly overview. And then I'm just going to fill in my checklist of things I also need to get done for the month. So I'm just going to speed through this part of the video. One thing I do like to do when planning is write out everything, especially like my priorities, checklist. I always do those type of things first, and I do place my widgets also. Those are the first things I do before I start decorating. Just getting all the important things out of the way, because that is the first priority. When you are planning, you want to make sure that you're actually planning your priorities, your to-dos. And so this is why I'm doing more planning, digital planning videos like you seeing me plan, because I want you to see that I don't go into the decorating part first. Like, I literally go and plan out my months, my weeks, my days before I start the actual planning or actual decorating portion. Something that I do keep seeing on my social media pages is people stating that they don't have the convert option. Keep in mind that this option is for the paid version only of Goodnotes. The paid version will unlock all of the premium features that Goodnotes has. One thing that I will recommend you guys doing when you're creating your monthly spreads or numbering your monthly spreads is, when you do one, before you start putting in the holidays and everything, add it to your elements tool. Because if you've already positioned every single number where you want it to go, like what I mean by that is like the top right corner, left top corner, whatever, wherever you place your numbers, they're already positioned there. So all you have to do is just add them from your elements on your spread, and then just move a group of them and they'll just already be in position like what I'm doing right now. But I will make another video on this to show you in more detail what I mean. Since I am going for a Valentine's theme, I'm going to change these numbers to some type of Valentine color, red or pink, something like that. And I am using the color changing calendar numbers from my shop, so I'll link those in the description box. The stickers that I will be using is from the Sweet Love sticker set from my shop, so I will also link that in the description box. I want to use the red February sticker, so I'm going to cover up this February title. So what I'm doing is just taking a piece of the planner, the white space in the planner, and I'm just covering it up that way. You could also use the pen tool to do this. Just take the pen tool and use the color white and just white out the title that way as well. And the last thing I'm going to do is add some color to the titles and then add in my little dots that I love so much. And that is it, guys. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And until next time, bye y'all.